So welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Again, we're showing you items that we've restored or have just come into the shop. Please go to our YouTube channel at Mumford Restoration or our website, mumfordrestoration.com. Let us know what we can restore for you. Today we have a grand piano, a Bradbury Grand Piano. So you see that here that got the label. It was built in New York. And this is what we would call the mid-level piano, but incredibly sentimental. This is something that's very important to the family members. And we've done a complete restoration, interior cleaning, cleaning the strings and polishing the strings. And then you can see that here's the lid. Take a look at how beautiful the walnut has turned out. Do you see the reflection on the walnut? Beautifully done. And then you see the walnut finish on the top. It's what we call a satin finish. And here is the pedalier with the, the pedals are polished, but they're not fully bright because we don't want them to look too, too shiny, because it's an older piano. Here you see the bench right underneath. And this is what we call a dual leg. So it's a duo art. It has the double legs on all three sides. Really cool little piano. This is something that we're doing often, but again, it's mostly for sentimental reasons because this is an instrument that is important to the family, handed down, and that's mostly what we work on. So thanks for watching today, and let us know if we can restore something for you. Thank you.